I'm Ethan Latham. I'm on the production fast track apprenticeship. I'm based in BBC Sport in Central Square, Cardiff. Yeah, it's been a wild year, to be fair, since we started last September. It's gone very quickly, a bit too quickly if anything. So many highlights for me. I've had the chance in the sports farm to try a variety of things, but I've really found a niche for writing articles. I don't know what it is, it's something about finding your own story, getting to interview people, meet people, get their stories, and then craft your own story from that then and see it to get published, seeing your name written at the top. It's a nice feeling. So a personal highlight for me, I found out a couple months ago at the start of August, there was a game taking place in Cardiff, rugby, between Llandaff RFC, who are a local based team, and the Kyrgyzstan national team. So I found all that out. I made contacts with people at WRU, the club. I was able to come down, interview a variety of people from the UK ambassador to Kyrgyzstan, so the president of their rugby federation, players, coaches. It was nice to see them, to build a story, written article from my interviews about how the passion they share for rugby over there was not really, which you probably wouldn't hear about, and it's growing, it's a growing sport, and the WRU, Welsh Rugby Union, have got a growing relationship with the country and the Rugby Federation to help grow it. So it's an ongoing story which I'm hoping to revisit in the future. So that has been a personal highlight, as well as going to many games like football, been to many Wales games, Swansea, Cardiff, rugby with Wales, the Six Nations, went to the Scotland game, which was great. It's nice to immerse yourself in live broadcasting. So yeah, it's been a year I couldn't have expected, to be fair. It's been more than I've hoped for. If I'd recommend the apprenticeship to anyone in that sense, especially with the BBC. It's fantastic. You're learning while you're earning, but you're also getting your foot in the door and getting that opportunity to try these things, meet these people, make good contacts. It's definitely worth doing if you're thinking about doing an apprenticeship. I came from a motor vehicle and car background where I thought I was pretty set on a career, on a job. But again, once an opportunity comes, it's not a bad thing to just try it. That's what I've done, and I've really benefited from this year. Working with Skilled Company over the last year in this diploma has been great. The trainers here are very, very helpful. They're media professionals. They're in the business as well. They know what you want to get out of this. They've probably seen 100 times before, so they're the best people to talk to. You get really good advice, and it's a good qualification to have as well. You learn a lot about maybe things you wouldn't think of in the industry, and it sets you up then to go forward and carry on. A massive shout out and thank you to everyone who's helped me this past year. It's been a pleasure getting to know you personally and working with you professionally. I hope we can remain in contact after this. Your advice has been very vital to me and helped me grow, not only as an apprentice, but as a person in this industry as well. So I'm really grateful for that. So thanks for the past year.